Guys, welcome to another episode of Today on SDGs with Joel, where we talk about everything within the umbrella of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So today we'll be talking digital detox, guys. Yay! So today is National Day of Unplugging. So National Day of Unplugging is on the first Friday in March, and it kicks off a 24-hour period from sundown to sundown to unplug, unwind, relax, and to do things other than using today's tech, electronics, social media, and whatnot, especially in the wake of mental health, our emotional and psychological well-being. It's a thing, guys. A lot of people are going crazy. Yeah. So mental health in check, and today's mental health is especially linked to the things we consume digitally, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, every other thing we consume. So put that in check, guys. Digital detox, day of unplugging. Every other day should be a day of unplugging. It shouldn't just be limited to 6th of March 2020, and I think it goes on to 2030 from the calendar and what I saw. Don't quote me on that, do your own research. Digital detox is a thing from bandwidth to smart TVs and phones, computers and gaming systems. They all take up an alarming or disturbing amount of space within our homes and our brains. So it's a thing, guys. But I'm kind of exempted. Digital detox 2020 is not for. Well, I have done my digital detox before now. Every other month, every other week, I try as much as I can to stay away from digital media, tech, and all of that, and then focus on things that matter, especially within my timeline and itinerary. I cannot do digital detox for this month and the months to come, only because I am doing a lot of online courses, guys. That's another thing. You should, guys, check out online courses and do them. Most of them are free, others you have to pay. So that's it in a nutshell. My phone is ringing. Talk about the devil. Digital detox. Call me hypocrite, but I told you I'm not really into that for now. So bye.